Adam. Hi. What you doing? I don't know how to play with that yet. Hold on. I don't know how to play with that. Well, play over here. Hi. Look at you. You're so cute. You're so cute. You see your pretty face? Hi. Hi. Yes. Oh, yes. You got it. You got it, Adam. Okay, we gotta start back here so we don't fall off the couch. Huh. You could start back here. You got it. You got it, Adam. Huh. You got it, Adam. Where is it? Where'd it go? Is on your back? No, that could never happen, huh? Adam, where's your toy? Adam, look. There's the toy. There's the toy. There's the toy. Hi. We gotcha.